Hey guys, welcome back to Living Life 365. It's a beautiful day out. It's about 24 degrees Celsius out here in Vancouver, British Columbia. So decided to change the scenery a little bit and do a review out here. So quick unboxing of this. What it actually is, it's called Hoto tools. It is called the compressed air capsule, an electric duster, and vacuum. So it's a 4-in-1 tool itself. Picked it up on those Facebook links for $99.99. It was actually on sale, I believe. So with the shipping of $14.99, paid about right under $115 US. Shipping was fairly quick too. I'd say about a week, and I got it. If you either go to their website at Hoto Tools, it is a company that's been around since 2016, but I really haven't heard of it. But they actually have a bunch of electronic tools, electric screwdrivers, those portable ones. They're just trying to make life simple. It kind of, like I said, Hoto actually stands for home tools. They just made up their name to Hoto. Again, on their website right now, I believe it's on sale for 10%. It's about $133 before tax and shipping, and I think original price about $145. So if you can kind of find those Facebook links, that actually works, because it is more than 10% off, I believe. So quickly here, these are for the air pumps. So again, it's a 4-in-1, so it can pump and inflate. It's a vacuum. It also blows as far as it's an air duster, and it can also do those vacuum seals. So if you have those vacuum seal bags for clothes or whatnot, it is pretty strong, I believe, to vacuum seal things. So these are the 4 nozzles that comes with it for the blower. These are the vacuum connections. So just 2 of them quickly. Now it's a simple box. Looks really nice. So that's what it looks like. The outlet, inlet, specifications really quick. So package contents, you get the air capsule itself, movable brush head, short air valve, long air valve, dust cup, swim ring, air valve, vacuum deflator, deflating connector, charging cables, user manual, and a storage bag. Let's see, it's a pretty small thing, so about 356 grams. It is lithium ion, so rechargeable, 1900 milliamps, and it takes about 2.5 hours to charge. And it is from Shanghai, China is the manufacturer. So really quick, we'll unbox it. Knife, Leatherman knife. This is the Leatherman Rev. Really good multi-tool that I use. Let's put this away so I don't stab myself. So that's what it looks like out of the plastic. Yellow. Make it happen. It's always a surprise to see how many boxes are in the box itself, packaging, and which way it's packaged. So it comes out this way. Anything else in the box? So that's cardboard. It says make it happen, like we said. It's just a white box. We'll just throw that aside, actually. So what does it come with? Manual, air compressor, bunch of language, I guess user manual, gear switch, turn on and off. If you notice right there too, I kind of left a little bit of dirt to do a sample review and see how the section actually is. USB-A to USB-C. Charging cable. I don't think they're probably going to come with those charging blocks anymore. People are trying to get more environmentally friendly, so I guess one of the air pumps for the blower, second one, the long one. Let's see, short one, really thin, and I guess kind of that medium-sized one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put those aside. Now what do we have here? Kind of like those cornstarch packaging, I guess. Here we go. Oh, this one is nice, actually. I think it comes in a HEPA filter that I saw when I was looking at the reviews. What does it say here? Press and rotate. So unlock, lock. Oh, I guess you press down on it. Clean inner wall after dusting. sure you can pick it up. Oh, if you look closer inside, it's actually a metal mesh. You may be able to take it out, but I'm not going to play with that right now. I believe that's the flap here, if you can see closely. So when it suctions, so the dirt doesn't come back out. So that's there. That's one of the connections. Let's see this one. Well, another cornstarch packaging. Or cornstarch material, I guess. And this is the, I guess, the other one for the car. So these two are more for cars in general, vacuuming use. It's got the brush. Like I said, you just push and pull. There you go. Oh, and that came out quite easily as well. I guess to clean it maybe, or just use the brush itself. Put that aside. Anything else? I think this is just the device and the carrying bag. So I'll throw that all out. Well, not out. Pretty big carrying bag. I would think they would have something that says Hoto on it, but maybe not. They don't want people to know what it is. But anyways, I guess this pocket is for the device itself, and the rest is for carrying your separate bits. Let's go to the next one. Honestly feels solid and well made, and this is really nice and sleek actually. So let's see. Designed by Hoto. Warning, do not vacuum clean without dust cap. So don't use it without this, I believe. So inlet, outlet. Okay, so again, this is my first time using it, but I believe inlet usually means that's where the suction starts, and outlet is where it starts blowing. So charging cable there for the USB-C. Do not install dust cup to outlet. So do not install this one to the outlet, because again, it's for vacuuming. You're not going to be blowing stuff out. This one is for the 4 tools there for the blower, and this one is, these two is for the vacuum. So let's see really quickly. Unlock, I guess we will match it with the unlock here. So do they show me anything? So this one has a dot there, and that might be the only dot. So let's start from there. Unlock and lock. Okay, well there you go. That's actually simple. So we just line it up. It kind of fits right only in one way. So, and twist, and I guess that's it. So power button, let's see how it is. Oh, that is really strong. Sorry if it's loud. So let's see really quickly. Okay. And let's see how it gets the dirt right here. You can actually see the dust cup moving the cover. And that is really strong actually. Okay, let's finish with that. So I take that out. I guess everything is in here. You can probably take that out to clean this because it's going to be trapped in there, but I won't do that now. So I think you could see a little bit, still pretty clean. I guess the connector has to be with this, so let's put it back in. If I want to use a connector, it might be one or the other way. Figure it out. So it's this way. There you go. That's it. And then pull it back out. So let's do that. That's got a notch there, I believe, to lock it into place. As you can see right there, comes right out. So we'll twist that off, and we will now try to sample the blower. So we'll use this one. 2 notches right there as well. I believe you just, yep, there you go. So put it in, turn it clockwise, and now I got a blower. So all the dust is now blowing away. Strength of it. You can see it's getting blown, right? So hold again to turn it off, and that's really it. I mean, everything else just fits in properly. Like I said, this is for I can feel a little bit of heat, but really this is really powerful. I might do a further review down the road if need be, but again, this just seems perfect already for everything. So let's just see. So if you want to keep it, I guess, in the bag, just throw it in here. And there, and all your tools, I guess, go inside. 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Seal it up, and everything is in the bag. Material is okay. I feel like it'll get ripped down the road, but still okay, I would say, for everything. And then you can put the charging cord in there. Well, that's a really quick review again. Thanks for watching. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. It really helps the channel out. I do not get sponsored for any of the items I get. It's purchased with my own money. So like I said, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to remind you of all the things that are, all the videos that are uploaded. I do give giveaways occasionally, so stay tuned for that. For those who follow my Facebook channel or my Facebook page for Spray and Shine, for my car detailing, I am doing a summer back to school interior clean for discounted price, so stay tuned for that. I always post a lot of my results of customers' vehicles, the before and afters, everything like that. Again, anything else, thanks again for watching, and have a great rest of the weekend.